Hello, I saw your question in the email. You're given two equations or two functions or using a function notation, and you want to find this. I read this as F circle H of 4. I call this composition. You want to compute the value on the right and then substitute that into the one on the left. So F circle H of 4, what does that mean? That means find F of H of 4. So how do you find H of 4? Well, you come up to this equation and you put in 4 in place of x. So I put in 4 in place of x, that'd be negative 4 minus 3, which is negative 7. Now you want to find f of negative 7. How do you find that? You come to this equation and you put in negative 7 in place of x. And so it'll be negative 5 times negative 7 minus 1. Well, that product will be positive. 35 minus 1. Well, that's 34. I hope that helps.